See, what's this black shit? Why I got hair on it? Hey creeps, and welcome back to Messy Monday. As you already know, you can't sit with me unless you are POP, and that is pretty on purpose. How you doing? Oh. Hey creeps, and welcome back to my channel. As you already know, you can't sit with me unless you are POP, and that is pretty on purpose. How you doing? Alright, so I want to give a shout out to my friend, Corey.
Hey, bitch.
Thank you for having my post notifications on. It means so much to me. You were the first to comment on my tweet, and I just want to let you know that I see you supporting me, and now it is my time to support you. So, with that being said,
Hey, bitch.
I went to Juicy Crab. I bet y'all like, Zoe, can you eat something else? I have something in store for y'all that I want to eat. And it's gonna be really, really, really good. Okay, don't look at the back of my head. So anyway, I got king crab today because I really don't get cream crab. I always get snow crab. And don't worry about how I look, y'all. I got to a point in my life now to where I really don't, oh my God. Ouch. I really don't care about trying to be cute on YouTube no more. Or God, it got a head on it. Ah! Ah! Oh my God, I can't eat that. It looked too alive. Oh, Jesus. Ah! This is not mine. See, shrimp no head. And then shrimp head on. Jesus. I can't eat that. That scares me. Oh my God. Oh, I know you lying. They look too real. Oh my God. Look at the legs. Oh Jesus, look, it's alive. Oh, the antennas. I don't even want to eat none of this. Oh Jesus. I gotta be more careful when I'm ordering. This is why this COVID shit need to go away. Ordering online, shit up. Damn! I can't eat this. I don't even want to touch the food. If I touch that head, it's over with. So do I can just cut it? Oh, I can't cut it off. Oh my God! Where's the ones with no head at? It's like all these. At this point, every one of them got head. Look. This is ridiculous. Oh my God, they got eyeballs, they got feet. Oh. What is the gnat? Shit, I don't have gnats in my house. What's going on? They came out this goddamn thing. See? They done brought gnats with them. Oh my God. Remember that one person was eating from Juicy Crab? Oh shit, why'd I go here? They had that little white stuff on the crab. Let me just pray first. Let me look at my stuff. Oh Jesus. Let me look. I had them eggs on it. I don't need no eggs on my stuff. Oh, this is ridiculous. Bottom feeders. God is great, God is good. Let us thank him for our food. Bow our heads so y'all be fed. Give us, Lord, our daily bread. My Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. Jesus, I don't know what I was thinking. I was moving too fast. I was hungry, ain't ate all day. Please bless this food. Don't let it be no type of critters on here. I opened up, it's a little gnat flying. Then eyeballs and antennas and feet. And oh, this is a whole lot of, just please, all this stuff is just too lively. It's too real. It's too much. Pray for it. Bless it. I know it's dead, but kill it again. And bless the corona that might have been passing by. Thank you, Jesus. Okay, y'all. I hope I can still enjoy my food. This done took away everything I wanted to talk about now, because I really wanted to talk about, I wanted to talk, and now I'm all worried about the food. Look at them, they just in there conjugating. Ain't that the word? Congregating. Congregating. Oh, they just in there to like a little family. Look at his little eyes. Oh, they just gonna hop out. That's just really like, look, I'm over here eating their friends. They probably pissed off. Ooh, that's just sad. They was putting the pot alive too. I bet it's some doo-doo up in those. They don't clean them right, cause they look fully clothed and stuff. What's that doo-doo? Ooh, look, this is, see, black folks was in the kitchen today. Doo-doo. Jeez, and I got it out, I think. This is dumb. I ain't going to this location no more. I ain't gonna say the name. I don't want to make them feel bad. Whoever was cooking today on what's today's date? Whoever was cooking today on September the 1st, please let me know. Please fire them. They got doo-doo in the shrimp. Well, not this one. Doo-doo in the shrimp. It ain't really seasoned good. I don't even, look, my friend was just talking about me, my cousin was talking about me the other night, talking about some Zoie, you don't swallow. I mean, you don't chew. Stop just swallowing. Because I have realized I boo-boo a lot. I bet you like, we eating, I don't care. I tend to go to the bathroom a lot because I think I don't chew my food properly, and it doesn't, hell, I don't know. Fuck it. Ah, shit. Woo! See, antennas. I can't do this. I ain't got time to be looking for little antennas and stuff. I ain't got time for that. I don't got time for that. I don't like that. I don't like that. I was ready to have a whole conversation. Now I'm over here trying to scout the food. Jesus Christ. Uh-oh. Oh, Jesus, where's my little water? Where's my water at? Oh, here. Y'all. Y'all. Who been watching P. Dally? I don't think I like king crab. I don't think I like king crab. Because, hold on, it's just everywhere. Look at this, this place done up everything. I can't even talk. It's just too much now. This is too much. This is too much. This ain't even fun no more. Look, I'm just mad. But yeah, P. Valley, y'all, it's getting good. I wish all straight men were like that. So you saw how, like, when his friend found out that he was talking to Uncle Clifford, he was like, man, you know what? I don't care what you do. The heart gonna like what the heart wants. But we ain't gonna let the heart fuck up our money. I was like, that's some real ass shit, man. I wish niggas thought like that for real. Like, you gonna love who you love, but don't let that shit affect what the hell we got going on. You know what I'm saying? I want to, like, niggas be having that conversation for real. Like, when they be catching their homeboy fooling like a transsexual or a guy like me. Like they went through their phone and saw conversations. Like, how do they approach their homeboy? Like, what do they be saying then? Like, bro, I saw that shit, bro. Like, that's funny. Or do they like try each other? And that is so gross. I wonder like what it's like. Do they? This tastes too under the sea-ish. Like it's real it's real coral. You know what I'm talking about? Like it's real coral. It's real like, I don't know, seahorses or something. It's just, I don't really like this. I don't like no king crab. It's too deep sea-ish or something. Like I'm eating out the ocean. I mean, I know I'm eating the stuff out the ocean, but like it's real oceany. I don't know, salt water like. This is just not good. But this potato is really busting. Like it's busting. This is the best potato. I usually like when they that little. Oh yeah, somebody calling me. Hold on, hello?
Yes, hi, good evening. This is Zoie Fenty. I'm calling from Sirius XM, and is this Miss?
Yeah, they keep calling me. I don't want the, I told them to take me off the list. I don't want Sirius XM on my car no more. Okay. Stop calling me. I done told y'all I don't want Sirius XM. Y'all keep calling trying to sell me that shit. If I don't want it, I don't want it. I don't want it. Damn. People get on my nerves. They don't understand. People don't know how to take no for an answer. No. No, y'all think like because a couple of months done passed, my mind done changed. Bitch, if I didn't call you, my mind didn't change. Leave me alone. Oh yeah, that's just too, ooh, that's real. That's real seafoodish. I like these little scissors though, they really be working. It's making it so much easier to get it. Make it so much easier to get it. It's just so dry though. Where the it's so dry. Oh, my baby calling back. I'm doing a YouTube video, and y'all can't hear his voice because I don't know if any of his homeboys watching me. He gonna get mad because I'm not picking up. I'm sorry. He called again. Hold on. Okay, y'all, I am so sorry. That's men. Okay. Y'all, I should have called this dude to come over and be in my mukbang with me. I really should have. I could have asked him like some dude questions. I don't know about them. I don't know about them. This right here. Oh, so. All right, y'all. So there. Hold on. Y'all ain't got shit to talk about. Why are king crabs like this? Like, what type of crab is, I mean, like, where are king crabs from? Like, what side of the ocean? Because snow crabs must be from somewhere where it's cold. Because it's a snow crab. And king crabs must be somewhere like the Pacific or something. I don't know. Look at this. Oh, that just looks so big. Look at that. And then it just be sitting on that little piece and then you just pull it out of there. Look at that. Oh, look at God. This is really something. Oh, it just looks so soggy. Why is it soggy like that? I think this might be a little spoiled. As I proceed to eat it. And then the little juice stuff ain't even seasoned right. Ain't got no type of pepper on it. This is ridiculous. Uh-oh. 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 What's that? What is that? Look, see? Snow crab ain't got all that extra stuff. This is actually really good. I mean, it's good and it ain't good. It's decent. Y'all, I guess y'all can just watch me eat today. Y'all, I got a point into my life where I just don't really care no more. Like, I don't care about shit. Like, I'm at the point now where it is what it is, girl. It is what it is. I used to care about trying to look cute eating on my mukbangs. I used to care about how I look on my mukbangs, but now I'm just like, bitch, do you, girl. Do you. If you want to damn fart on your live, fart on your YouTube video, like, bitch, we are all human. Or we be trying to impress the wrong folks. Impress yourself. We be acting like other folks ain't human. Like, they don't do the shit we do. I mean, I know it's a matter of respect, but like, if I'm just over here chilling by myself, I can do what I want to do. If I want to burp, fart, whatever, I should be able to do what I want to do. But we want to make sure we presentable on camera. Girl, fuck all that. Oh, I didn't even check to see if those little eggs was on here. Okay, hold on. Uh-oh. Yeah, I can't wait to show y'all what I'm gonna eat on my other stuff. Who is that? Girl. Don't y'all hate when, like, you give men attention and you be throwing yourself at them, but they don't want to make no time, right? Oh, they busy. Oh, I'm doing this. Oh, I'm doing that. But then, when they look on there, little heifer, I know I smell fishy, but bitch, gone somewhere. But then when they want time, when they got time, they blow your ass up. Where you at? What you doing? This is that. Because you on daytime now. Nah, nigga. When I wanted to deal with you, you was giving me the runaround. But now you ain't got shit to do. You want to call me. I'm not an option, baby. Let me tell you one thing about it. Two things for sure. I'm going to keep me a man around. So if anything, you the option. That's probably what's making it mess up. Everybody want to feel like they not an option. And then really we all are options. We all want to feel like we got control. That's so crazy. But we don't want nobody to do that to us. Like, if we would all just stop acting like, oh, I can replace you, then maybe shit would be better. Relationship-wise, I don't know. I'm just talking, girl. I don't know what the hell I'm talking about. I'm just talking. This is gonna be the stupidest mukbang I've ever done. Because this was so random. Usually I have a topic picked out. But today, that threw me off. This little gnat throwing me off. And this is a lot. Oh shit. Y'all, I'm sorry. What a little fish at? I mean, see, what's this black shit? Why I got hair on it? I don't know about this. I'm scared. This little crap, like it might have came from Africa or something. Is there oceans? Yeah, I think there's an ocean in Africa. Look how, oh, I don't even want to touch it. This got whiskers. Oh, Jesus. I don't even want to eat no more. Y'all. Yeah, I don't want to eat no more, y'all. I'm finna go. I'm gonna just upload this. It's gonna be the stupidest mukbang. Excuse me. Yeah. I'm sorry, y'all. This we're gonna have to cut this short. This ain't gonna be a good. I don't even know why I'm gonna upload this, but I'm gonna upload it. Get a little coin. Keep it real, bitch. Yeah, just catch me on the next mukbang. Oh, look, that hair. Oh my Jesus. I can't even look at that hair. Oh God. Y'all know what? This is just pathetic. I can't even eat right when you ain't got the right food. You can't even talk. Dang. I am over it. I messed up my whole emote, girl. Screw it. Y'all, I'm finna go. Can't even eat right, talk right. I done ate the whole bag. Look, y'all, okay, if it ain't about, oh shit. God only made one you. If you don't be you, then nobody else will. And until then, cue the music. Oh, but before we do it, I'm sorry that this was all over the place, not good, but it'll be all right. Oh, I thought that was that stuff. Yeah, I love y'all so much. I'm sorry, this mukbang was shitty. I'm so sorry. The food wasn't good, and I can't really talk. Usually I talk when the food is good. Shit, disgusting. Cue the music.